Hi everyone, welcome to my channel, Diane here. Today I'm going to start a new sketchbook. This is a Viviva sketchbook and it's got fairly smooth paper in it. It's somewhere between hot press and cold press, so it's not got much tooth, and it's quite absorbent. So it's going to be a case of painting directly into the paper and hoping for the best. And this is going to be, I might put something on the front to indicate what's going to be inside. Haven't got round to doing that yet to embellish the cover. And this is going to be my Bird a Day Keeps the Blues Away sketchbook. So I'm going to try to keep this up, and I'll show you how it's going every now and again, but this is going to be page 1 and I have absolutely no idea what I'm going to create, and I think that's a great way to start when you're trying to beat the blues. Just get something on paper, it will make you feel better, and so there we'll go. And so I'm going to start with wetting my paints. So we'll just squeeze. I've got Quar paint here. This is Quar, and I suppose the question is, what colour are we going to use? One of my favourite colours of Quar is the phthalo blue, so I'm going to just test that out. The phthalo blue, it's quite nice and strong, and it makes a very nice mix with the green. I think that's possibly one of my favourites. So I'm going to paint a big circle in blue and green, mixed from phthalo blue and Hansa yellow, and we'll just drop that in more or less at random. So we'll make a big circle like that, and we're going to turn that into a bird using some pen. So I'm going to grab my Micron here, which is great because it doesn't really run when you put paint on top of it. And yeah, so let's put, I should have put the eyes in first, but I'm going to put eyes in now. And we'll sharpen those up shortly with using a white pen to put the white of the eye in. Let's give him some legs and some feet. And then probably, let's just sort of embellish him with lines and things like that. We'll put in some wings on the sides like that. And then we'll put some swirly lines on the top. I love doing these squiggles. They're really fun. And he's got to have a beak. And then when this is dry a little bit, we'll be able to put in some lines, but up until then we'll probably need to confine our lines to here. We're going to put some of these spirals in here. It really doesn't matter what you do, just do something. I think that's the thing. Let's give him some knees and some nails on his feet, and maybe some more curly things here. And then perhaps we'll just indicate some feathers like that. I wonder whether I can get the white to work. I'll tell you what I'll do. I'll use the Dr. Martens white with a small brush. Where's my little brush? There we go. Let's see if I can make the whites of the eye. This is good stuff because it's opaque and it goes over whatever you've got underneath. So we just make him some nice big googly eyes. And then we can come in with the white again, I think I'll use a thicker one. So we'll use the number 8. Draw around the outside again. There we are. And maybe we'll also paint his beak a little bit white. Maybe we'll give him some expressive eyebrows. And then I'm going to do some white lines on him, some squirrely lines. Like that. And maybe I think he probably needs a little bit of colour on his wings. So we just pop that in like that. And then we're going to say, oh, he probably needs something to stand on. So we'll just drop in some green down the bottom for his to keep him stable. Could add a little bit of darker blue around and about, maybe. So there we are. That's the bird number 1, and let's just write in here paint a bird a day, keep the blues away. So that was just a quickie. I'll say goodbye now. Bye everyone. Bye bye.